What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about XRP today. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it, my friends. Here we are on the second day of July, sitting at about, you guessed it, $2.17. We are going nowhere fast, you guys. We are absolutely just here in the same area we've been in since the end of May. And even there, for a good bit of May, we got up there. But man, for a good bit of April, we were basically in the same range too. And dating back really throughout this whole range, we're right in this central point, like the average area. From a high to a low, we are at the lower ends, don't get me wrong. High to low here, we are below the 50, which is nice to see. But we're crowding it, man. Finding support at the 236, nice. Consolidating here. We're probably getting ready for a move that will take us not to the golden ratio, but through the golden ratio would be my expectation. We probably go through it. I would think that, looking at the RSI, looking at this daily RSI, it could be any day now that we see a move that'll take you up to 290 to 312. And again, once you make that move, you probably won't just rip through to new all-time highs immediately, but you'll move up, you'll consolidate a little bit, shake some people out, and then you'll be able to grow and see new all-time highs maybe by the end of this month, if not sometime in August, right? And I think that we will see new all-time highs by the end of this month. One of these months, it's going to happen, man. It's going to happen. 1 hour time frame, looking at this here, if we're looking at it, hold on now. Wicked volatility, man. Just wicked. Absolutely. Kind of crazy. That's it's just such a big move, and then just methodical down move, slowly down. Oh my goodness, what the heck? Wow, I just that's something in my house. I just noticed something kind of cool. Anyways, it's neither here nor there. It's nothing that anybody needs to concern themselves with. Lower high in the price, higher high in the RSI, a little bit of hidden bearish divergence, but I wouldn't think it's too much. I wouldn't think that it means you have to go lower than this low. That really could have been your low right there. From a low to a high, golden ratio support, I like it. I think that's your low, and you tried it again. You didn't go lower. You had a positive reaction off it. I think you're going to go higher. I think you found your low. Maybe this hidden bearish divergence, that's why you're moving down on this 1 hour time frame, whatever, if you want to rationalize it that way, whatever. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, you're in a little bit of an uptrend. I think you're going to move up, man. Absolutely. You look volatile. You look squirrely. You're at the base area here. I mean, where you found support was at your golden ratio. First off, from a low to a high was at the golden ratio, but where you closed, I mean, that's below all of these lows here. That's a good area to buy, man. And now you move back up rather immediately again to these base areas here. I don't think you're going to find resistance here. I think you're going to move up. If you were to find resistance, you would have gone lower on this low, but you didn't, did you? 4 hour time frame here. Lower lows in the RSI, lower lows in the price. That's okay. You're at the 40 area in your RSI, which is a bullish area to bounce from. You've got higher lows in the RSI, which is great, right? And getting overbought both times, but not getting oversold either time. Bullish, man. We love it. Love to see it. Yeah, looks good. Looks pretty damn good. You're getting ready, man. You are definitely ready. You tried here. You tried, but it just didn't work out, and that's okay. You're back here at these areas where you've loaded up before. I think that you're going to move to the upside. I really do think you're going to move up to the upside here pretty soon. We're on the 4 hour time frame, so sometime this week, yes. Doesn't have to be today, though. Yeah, let's look at the daily time frame again. Taking this from an overall high to low. No, we've already done that because we established that you're probably not going to stop at the golden ratio. You'll move up to your 786, 886. What about this? What about the relative high to low? Not the overall. Come on now, trading view. Don't screw me now. High to low. Oh, we were so close. We were so close. Get it. Get right there we go. A little bit of resistance at the golden ratio. Back to find support at the 382. Very common behavior. Moving on up. I would expect that you do see the extensions of this range. You'll stop the 1272s right there at the 786. 1618 just above the 886. 325, 290, somewhere in that area. It's probably going to happen here over the next couple of weeks, I would assume. And then going into the end of the month again, we should be seeing new all-time highs. That's my expectation. Probably over the next 2 weeks, work our way up here, consolidate for like a week or two, and then that last week of July, we should be moving up. That'd be my expectation, right? Seeing new all-time highs. How much will we be at? I don't know. We could be at $4. We could be at $5 by the end of July. Maybe we're still below $4, something like that. But I would expect that we see some incredible growth going into August. I think August is going to be a good month. I think July is going to be a good month too, right? We were expecting May and June to be good months, but they were, May was all right, but June was pretty stagnant, to say the least, right? that stagnation at a higher low too, it's only going to provide solid growth, right? Whenever we do move up, XRP only knows one pace, and it's going to be a very, very fast pace whenever we do move up. So not worried about that at all. Looking at this on a 3-day time frame, RSI is bullish as hell, higher lows. We love to see it. Finding support at the 40 here. You look like you're getting set up like a lot of cryptos are for a nice W pattern here. And this next drive should take you to the overbought zone, right? Assuming that you get there probably sometime in August where you'll see that finale kind of move. Not cycle finale, just finale of what this consolidation phase has to bring us. I don't really have anything else I want to say, guys. I think I've said everything I need to say. We can look at the ribbons real quick. I've looked at the ribbons for a couple cryptos tonight. I know people like the ribbons, right? They're visually appealing. Yeah, 3-day, we went below the ribbon. Nice. Finding support back above it, disrespecting it a little bit, but overall bullish posturing on the 3-day ribbon. What about the daily? The daily, disrespecting it. When you move sideways, you kind of disrespect it. So the fact that it's bearishly postured, I'm not worried about it. You know, it doesn't really matter. If we were bearish on this, we would not be doing what we're doing here, right? We'd be rejecting it. So we'd be doing stuff like this down here. I don't know. Or like this, but to the opposite effect. Weekly time frame, super bullish, mega bullish. Monthly time frame, bullish as hell. Yeah. I got nothing else for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you all for being here. I'll see you on the next one. All right, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.